discover a charming opportunity in the heart of Parikia. This lovely two-storey house spanning 56 square meters is nestled in the delightful area of Fragka Skala within the traditional settlement. It features a cozy 4 square meter courtyard upstairs, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the local atmosphere. While the property needs a complete renovation, it offers an excellent foundation to craft a home that captures the authentic Cycladic spirit. It's an excellent choice whether you're looking for a relaxing holiday retreat or an investment in the thriving short-term rental market, which is always in high demand here. Plus, you can buy each floor separately, giving you more flexibility for your plans. Benefit from plenty of natural light and a pleasant ambience thanks to its west-facing position. Its prime location means you can enjoy a quick stroll to Parikia's vibrant market, cozy cafés, traditional tavernas, and the port. Just 500 meters to the port, only 200 meters to the beach, 9.5 kilometers to the airport. Parikia stands as the lively heart of Paros, blending timeless Cycladic charm with modern conveniences. It buzzes with activity year-round, especially during the summer, making it a vibrant place to live or visit. The charming Fragka Skala area is part of the traditional settlement, renowned for its authentic, atmospheric vibe. Narrow stone-paved alleys, whitewashed Cycladic houses, and easy access to shops, cafés and tavernas make it truly special. Within close reach, you'll find beaches, both organised and unorganised, as well as historic and cultural sites like the Church of Panagia Ekatontapiliani. Simple. Given its popularity for short-term rentals, this property offers excellent potential for both personal use and steady returns as a tourism investment.